Hogbetsotso Festival launched in Tsiame 2024. The Hogbetsotso Festival has been launched in Tsiame in the Volta region to spearhead the mega Hogbetsotso Festival, which will take place in 1st November 2024. This is the first time in history launching the Hogbetsotso Festival in Tsiame, the ancestral home of many bravery warriors and heroes who and display of many local foods. In the heart of the Anglon, where tradition may triumph, many people from far and near, including some high dignitaries, were present. To witness the colorful event. The people of Anglo State celebrate the bravery of their ancestors and the strength of their community. Tsiame is one of the oldest communities and ancestral battlegrounds for the people of Anglon. In the olden days, before the ancestors go to war, they assemble themselves in the Tsiame community where they share common strategies and common beliefs, where they cook many foods, they roast corns.
Butapa awanamba anyai glomala madoe ao mikata minotitre ya butapa elaba abwadada bla entimao okona etaba mianna bubuma mioto ni pole ola charoro tohema miawezo zo aha.
You need to join the wonderful celebration, the grand launch of the Hogbetsotso Festival, a celebration of freedom, unity, and cultural heritage. Experience the rich history and vibrant culture of the Anglo people as we honor our past and shape our future. Together, let's revive our traditions and reignite our sense of purpose. Celebrating freedom, unity, and cultural heritage, Hogbetsotso Festival is one of the biggest and unforgettable historic events which is celebrated annually in the land of Anglo Hogbe Park. You need to make a date and witness one of these events.